In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Pipedrive account. Whether you've decided to switch to another platform or simply no longer need Pipedrive services, this quick guide will ensure you can cancel your account smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, you'll want to turn your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you will find the My Account section, which is the gateway to initiating the cancellation process. Give it a click, and you'll be taken to an area that houses a variety of settings and options tied to your personal and account details. Now that you're in the My Account section, your next move is to head over to the Billing area. The Billing section is crucial because it holds all the information regarding your subscription, including details about your plan, the billing cycle, and, most importantly, where you manage your subscription. It's a good idea to proceed carefully here and make sure you're not missing any critical details that might affect how smoothly the cancellation process goes. Depending on whether you have a free account or a paid subscription with Pipedrive, the steps you take next will vary slightly. If you're using a free account, your task is to look for and select the option labeled Manage Subscription. This option will guide you through the process specific to free users. If, however, you're a paid user, you'll want to select the option that says Cancel My Subscription. Picking the correct option here is vital, as it will ensure your account cancellation is completed as you intend. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can cancel your Pipedrive account quickly and without hassle. It's important to remember that canceling your subscription or account might lead to the loss of data or any custom settings you've applied to your account. So, a key tip here is to make sure you back up any significant information before you proceed with the cancellation process. We hope this guide has made it easy for you to cancel your Pipedrive account. It's always a good idea to take a moment to review your decision one last time before finalizing the cancellation. The choice to cancel could potentially influence your data management or sales processes moving forward. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help.